Hello everyone, I'm Harshita Garg and I'm making this video in the regard to the Teach section of Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program. And my question is how would I teach a technical concept to a person who is from the non-technical background and has never heard of it before. So I would be first like I always believe in clearing the basics first before heading towards anything. So I would be starting with the basics to explain her about the concept of loops in C and C++ programming language specifically. So what I would be starting is with the real world example, and I will make her consider that suppose she have to clear a table after a family dinner, and what she have to do is a series of steps, that picking up a plate, going to the kitchen, washing it and drying it off. This is the four step procedure that she have to follow. And then this can be done in a easy way, but what if you have to do it what if she had to do it 7 to 8 times, like for 7 to 8 different members, then what she might be do. So this is what I will be explaining and relating it to the concept of loops, that this is the 6-7 time procedure of making a like picking a table and drying it off. It is a whole of a loop system where you are doing a same step procedure again and again. So basically what loops means is making the code dry is don't repeat yourself. And then I will make her realize what is actually the problem in repeating the code and why actually we'll use loops. So the answer to that is will be like, if we repeat our code, it will be long, it will have more mistakes, and it have a more running time, which actually makes the code debug not properly, and it have a various other problems in running the code. So the last step that I would recommend her and explain her well would be the specific steps that the computer does not actually identify if you say the computer that do these things multiple times. So they actually don't understand the word multiple. You have to put the exact number there. So that I will be explaining to her, that she have to put exact number of 6 times, 7 times, in whatever times she have to run the loop. So this is the way I can explain a thing to one of my friend. And what I believe personally is clearing the basics first and then moving ahead to towards anything, whether it is competitive programming, problem solving, development things, coding things. Everything starts from the basics. Thank you.